Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I finally completed this. I got a little bit of tweaks to add, but it's 95% finished, and I've got to kind of sort through and see how I'm going to divide everything. But the way I'm setting this up, I do more woodworking than I do anything. So two sides be devoted to nothing but woodworking. You see I've got my tape measures, driver heads, speed squares, hammer, uh, square, and those angle finders on the bottom. Then there'll just be all these shells be filled with stuff dealing with woodworking. And I'm labeling them like so. These come off. If I want to change a shelf, I can cut me another little piece of wood and put another piece of wood on there with what I've got in there. That helps me keep up. And got my glues up here, my clamps, but I've just got to get all my stuff and figure out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it, putting it in here. This is basically done. And I got one shelf that I made all these shelves out of scrap. Everything's out of scrap. The screws were costed off jobs I had left over. So got some 20-ton jacks on the other side, and when that's just and those may not stay there, but I just had those there for the weight for right now. But I don't see weight being a problem. If you build this, make sure you come out a little bit with your wheels, because you want to give it a little bit of counterbalance if you're moving it around, so it doesn't tip over with you. But I'm happy with the result, and happy that I don't have any money in it. I got the scraps here, there, and yonder on different. We got Craigslist and on jobs, and I'll always pick up wood. And that's the end of the Frugal Lazy Susan. And next one will be, we're making a craft. So stay with me, and I'll show you another craft that will be basically made for free. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.